In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the DocuSign error that says Error Accessing Envelope, Rejected. If you've clicked on a DocuSign link and were blocked by this message, don't worry. This is a common issue, and in most cases, it's very easy to fix. I'll walk you through the most effective solutions step by step so you can regain access to your document quickly. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials just like this. Let's get started. The first and most important thing to check is whether you're logged in with the correct email address. This error often happens when you're signed into DocuSign with a different email than the one the envelope was sent to. So go ahead and look at the email inbox where you received the DocuSign notification. Confirm the exact email address it was sent to. Then, in your browser, click on your DocuSign profile icon and sign out of your current account. After logging out, sign back in using the exact same email address that received the envelope. Once you're logged in with the correct account, try opening the document again. In many cases, this alone resolves the issue immediately. If you're still seeing the error, the next step is to ask the sender to reshare the envelope. Sometimes the original signing link may expire, or there could have been a minor delivery issue. Reach out to the person who sent you the document and ask them to resend or reassign the envelope to your correct email address. They can do this directly from their DocuSign dashboard. Once they resend it, open the new email notification and click the updated link. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before trying again. The third thing to check is whether the envelope has already been completed or voided. If the document has already been signed by all parties or canceled by the sender, you may not be able to access it for signing anymore. In this case, contact the sender and ask them to confirm the status of the envelope. If it was voided by mistake, they may need to create and send a new one. If it's already completed, they can download and share a copy with you for your records. Next, try logging out and logging back in again, even if you believe you're using the correct email. Sometimes session errors or temporary authentication glitches can cause access problems. Completely log out of DocuSign, close the browser tab, reopen it, and then log back in fresh. After signing back in, attempt to open the envelope again from your email link or directly from your DocuSign dashboard. If the issue still isn't resolved, try opening the link in an Incognito window or a different browser. Browser extensions, cache data, or stored cookies can sometimes interfere with DocuSign's authentication process. Open a new Incognito or private browsing window and paste the signing link there. Alternatively, switch to another browser like Chrome, Edge, or Firefox and try again. This often clears up hidden browser-related conflicts. By following these 5 steps, confirming the correct email, asking the sender to reshare, checking the envelope status, logging out and back in, and trying Incognito or a different browser, you should be able to fix the Error Accessing Envelope Rejected message in most situations. And that's it. You now know how to troubleshoot and fix this common DocuSign envelope access error quickly and effectively. If this video helped you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more step-by-step software fixes and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.